This is Siquijor.
This is Siquijor.
Mayong buntag mga dong mga day. It's gonna be a jam-packed day today. My name is Cheno, and this is Alex. And let's get to it. Niabot namin din sa lunch spot. It's called 24. And yeah, I remember this quite fondly because Alex and I actually went here in 2018 to eat after the Laga-an Falls trip. Chada kaayo to see all these old places that we've been to and they're still here. So that's really awesome. So anyway, look na kayo ko. Whoa, all of us sa mukaon sa mi. Mag-order sa mi pagkaon.
Yeah, I know, right?
Split order kami. Okay po. So for Alex, isa pong deep fried chicken with steamed rice. Isa pong... Not the same one dong?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, and wait lang 2 mango shake po.
Guys, mango shakes here are a must. Obviously. Isa pa ate. Jokes.
Lami kaayo. Kaunta.
I should do that more, hey, where we teach you a Bisaya word because Alex speaks Tagalog. I can kind of understand it, but I mainly speak Bisaya. And yeah, I want you to learn Bisaya words along the way, especially if you don't know Bisaya.
So I have beef tapa. I haven't had tapsilog or any silog on this trip, so this is the first one. I can't wait to eat.
So this is the chicken that I ordered.
That's
You go first.
Oh no, you got one too?
Yeah.
Oh no, you got it.
no, that's Chino. That's
This is not my food. Thank you.
That looks good.
That's all good.
Though.
I'm not crying.
That was so good.
That's why I got it again.
Thank you.
Ooh, that's deep.
There it is. It really is time to eat. Everyone's got their food. Let's go. Alright you guys, so niabot namin din sa Laga-an Falls. I thought it was Kinamandagan. This is what they said. That could be the local name because that's what's showing on Google Maps. But yeah, we're here at Laga-an Falls and Kuya was telling us there's like a Tarzan swing, there's a cave, so there's a lot to do here. So I'm excited na kayo ko, and also I want to get into the cold, fresh water. So yeah, let's do the hike. So here at Laga-an Falls, the entrance fee is 50 pesos per person and then 10 pesos to park your motor. Guys, this is a pretty cool walk. It's shaded, that's why it's nice. Not right under the sun, you know. Look at that. That's cool. We actually got a couple of guides. One at the back, one at the front leading us. So that's nice. Just to take us down to the falls. Oh my gosh, you guys. Grabe, kachada ang waterfall din eh. Blue kaayo. This is what we expected Laga-an Falls to be. Like I wanted to show our friends what it's supposed to be. And so, kanid din hi sa Laga-an Falls, wala gyud turista. Kami lang yun. Excited kaayo ko. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to go in. This is pretty much a playground for us. For us, I was gonna say for us creators, but for anyone. This is pretty much a playground for all of us. This is gonna be so fun. Alright, let's get set up. Baby, what do you think?
It's so nice.
Yeah?
It's a bit hidden. Like there's no one here.
Literally no other tourists
Yeah,
here.
it's just us.
What do you think, Zoe?
I love it. I'd say this is one of them things where it's good when you don't Google things sometimes.
Yeah, that's
Because
right.
like we had no idea what it was looking like, and because it's not one of the top spots, I wasn't expecting much, but it's better.
I think highly recommend to go here, guys. No one else is here but us. Oh! Dude, you landed on your butt. Another one. Go, go, go. There you go. That's it. That's it. Oh! Dude, that was pretty high. That was good. Let's go.
So we're going down to the cave.
Yeah.
Under the waterfall. Under the waterfall.
The whole there and you were like,
I went the wrong way.
you missed the opening. We're trying to swim into the rock. Parang lakas ko yan.
Ulo mo sir! Ulo mo sir!
Ay, ay!
Baba ulo mo sir!
20 minutes later.
I wish I got to show you the cave, kind of climbing up behind the waterfall and then to that jump. It was pretty cool, but I was just trying to survive. I was pretty gassed out by then, but it was a really cool experience. This here, Laga-an Falls, highly recommend. So fun. What do you think?
Really cool. Like, it's not that deep, so people who cannot swim can actually do it. You can just chill here. It's not that deep. And the sun's shining.
Yeah.
Really good.
Wow. Look at that. Like, oh guys, check this out. That's amazing. Guess where we are? We're back at Talisai beach with Zoe and Zara, but because this time Jan and Anne are with us. And so most nights we've been going to a beach to check out the sunset, and Jan and Anne haven't been on this one. So we thought, why not? Let's go back here. It's super quiet, no one else is here, and we're hoping it's gonna be like that again. So, da-da-da. Sun's kind of gone by this point because it's a bit too low to hit this side of the island, but hey, still quite nice. Careful, babe. Chada kayo gyapon. Regardless, Sadada is looking quite the view. So guys, if you want to come here, highly recommend coming earlier. I think today we got here around 4 o'clock or after 4. The sun's a bit too low by that time. I think a couple days ago we got here around 2:30, around that time.
About 3.
2:30 or 3, and it was still pretty good. But if you can come around that time, maybe earlier, you'll have better results in terms of lighting, maybe your shots and whatnot. But yeah, we're just here chilling out, just relaxing, taking it slow.
And waiting for the blue hour.
Yeah, that's it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I thought it was gonna be jam-packed, but we ended up visiting like one waterfall. But it is kind of a hidden gem, I don't know. It was the first time that I heard about Laga-an Falls. And when we went there was literally no one else until like half an hour. A couple of maybe locals / tourists went there. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please hit that like button because it does help out tiny channels like mine. And don't forget to subscribe and also click that post notification bell because yeah, you won't miss out any future uploads here in Siquijor and at Dumaguete. So yeah guys, oh, also don't forget to subscribe to Alex, to Zoe, Zar, Jan, and yeah, all the links will be in the description down below. It would mean a lot if you support my friends, even though they have more followers and subscribers, but hey, the more the merrier, right? I'll see you in the next one guys, bye.